Okay, the next form that we're going to create is our form where we rent the movie. And what's going to happen is that our clerk will enter in a member number, the name and the age of the person will pop up, and then they'll enter in the barcode. We're going to have a sub-form within a form again. And this time it's going to be a little bit different because details in the sub-form and in the form won't come straight from a table, they'll come from a query. So we need to make the details for the bottom, for the sub-form first. So let's go and make the query for that. So if we go, and I like to use the query by design view instead of a wizard because you've got so much more control, and you actually need a lot of control when you're building queries. So get your design out. You can hear me getting mine out. Now we're going to need our borrow record table, our movie copy table, and our movie details table. And you can see the links that we made before coming through here. And that's really, really useful for what we're doing now. Now we will need the date rented and the date due. And we will need to store the member number in this table, so we need that. And we need to store the movie ID number. Oops, got too many there. You have to be careful about that when you do it. We also need the title of the movie, but this time round we're going to have it concatenated with the format that it's in. Okay, so that, and I think it was type. Oh, we need a plus sign in there, don't we? Okay, so let's go and just double check. Oh, make sure that's visible. Let's just view that. Okay, so it's showing the movies dash DVD. Okay. What we also need to do is we need to have the movie ID. We've got the barcode that we're going to save. We will need its status because that will need to get changed later on. And we also need its cost. Now cost is a calculated field, and it's if it is a weekly movie, it'll cost $7, otherwise it'll cost $15. So what we need to do is bring up our expression builder, and we need a operator. Oops, operators, no, functions, built-in functions. We're looking for an if function. Okay, so let's just get rid of, undo. So, why are you not doing this? Okay, so the first bit, the expression if. Now, this is where the category of the movie. If the category, okay, equals weekly, then the cost is $7. Otherwise, it's $15. Okay. Now let's just, so we can see that there. We've got, let's just check before we go any further. So both of these are put down. Avatar is down as a overnight movie, so it should be costing $15. All we have to do now is format this column to show as currency. Let's not just worry about the pound sign for the moment. Okay, so we've got it here. Perfect, that's all the information we need now. Let's just save this and query, and let's call it cost rent video movie.